Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I thought it would be fun just to kind of do a little casual vlog, kind of catch you guys up on stuff around my house. This morning, I'm actually taking the dogs to agility. It's something we do every single week. A friend of mine has a horse arena, so she just sets up a bunch of, kind of like a course around in the horse arena, and we get a bunch of dogs together, and my dogs love it, and it's a great way for them to get their energy out. So we actually have to get going, and then I thought when we come back, I will share with you guys some little home updates and just kind of bring you along for the rest of the day. So I gotta bring the dogs inside. They gotta take their little health supplement, their little vitamin before we go. I'll share that with you guys. And then, yeah, we'll have to get going. Oh, there's the boys. Okay, come on inside. Most of you know I'm obsessed with my dogs, and I wanted to share with you guys the little health supplement that I give them every single day. We've been doing this for a few months now, and they absolutely love these. They're called Smarty Paws. They actually have them for adult, senior dogs, and puppies. So I'm going to show you guys what they look like. They're little hearts. They're so adorable, and they actually taste like peanut butter. Can you sit? Here's yours. Good boy. Bandit, you have to sit. And here's yours. Good boy. Good babies. Yes. So this is basically just like a vitamin you can give your dog every single day. They can have it when you take your vitamins in the morning. But you guys know I'm obsessed. Okay. I am obsessed with my dogs, and I just want to give them the best life, the longest life, the healthiest life. And so when I find a product that I feel like is really good for them and beneficial for them, it just gets me very excited. So these were actually designed by vets, so that gives me peace of mind about these little treats. Look at it. They're good for their joints, their skin, allergies, gut health, immune support. They're actually wheat, beef, chicken, egg, nut, dairy, soy free, all that stuff. So it has like no icky stuff in it. So I definitely have confidence giving this to my dogs, and just makes me really happy that they actually like them too. So you can get them from Target. You can obviously get them in store, or you can get them online as well. So I'm gonna leave a link down below for you guys if you want to check out Smarty Paws for yourself and for your pups. My dogs would really like another one right now. They love them. So like I said, I'll have a link down below. Make sure to check it out. A big thanks to Smarty Paws because they partnered up with me on today's video. So a big thanks to them. And we gotta get going to our little class now. So we're gonna get going, and then when we come back, I'll give you guys some fun little home updates. Back home. I usually have to clean up after because it's like so sandy in there, and get the dogs rinsed off and everything, but I'm finally gonna have some lunch. Lately I've been on a tuna kick, so I'm having tuna, excuse me, and these chips, which are amazing. If you guys have never tried these, you totally have to. They're so delicious, maybe a little too delicious. So I'm gonna have my lunch really quick, and then I do want to share with you guys a few updates or things that I've done around the house. I haven't really done any big projects. I have some big projects planned, and now that things are kind of opening up again, I feel like I can go to the store and get things that I need. I have made a couple online purchases and just switched up a few things in the house, so I thought I would share that with you guys. I thought it would be fun. Wanted to share with you guys my first home update. So many of you have been telling me to move my sofas away from the wall. And don't mind my ironing board over here. I had that out because I ironed Joshua's shirts for work and stuff. So I actually moved both of these sofas away from the wall. And I actually really like it. When so many of you were saying that, I was like, well, why would I do that? It's just going to make the room feel smaller. But then we got this coffee table within the past month, and I got it from Target. Guys, this looks so similar to a West Elm coffee table. This one was at least half of the price, and it's nice because it has like little drawers. I just have like coasters in there. I also like that it has this so you can display anything you want in there. And yeah, it's just nice. So it's not too huge, but it's definitely not too small either. So I like having a little bit more black in here too, just to kind of go with the tile. So once I put this together and put this in here, the sofas were so far away from it, and that's actually what made me decide to move them in a little bit further. And I think it looks really great. Still do not have my bookshelves finished being decorated because Home Goods has not been open, and that's where I'm planning on probably getting stuff to finish this off. But I did add a little piece of art in there. I actually made that, and it's just like with watercolor paint. During all this stay-at-home stuff, I started getting into like doing little crafts and stuff. So that's what I did. And yeah, isn't that card so cute? Joshua gave me that card for my birthday, and I don't want to throw it away because I think it looks so cute. That's pretty much all the updates for in here. I do have a rug picked out from Rugs USA. I really wanted a light rug. This rug I don't like it. It's from Home Goods. It was really pretty when we first got it, but just with the dogs and everything, like if they come in and they have muddy paws, or especially the winter is what kills us. It's just, it doesn't look the same as it used to look. It definitely doesn't look as nice. So I definitely would like to switch out the rug. I have a rug picked out from Rugs USA, and they have a thing where you can see what the rug would look like in your room. So I should insert a little photo, if I still have it, of what this rug will look like. It's actually an outdoor rug, but I was reading reviews on it that if you have dogs or kids, whatever, an outdoor rug is actually a really good way to go in your house because it's a lot more durable and easy to clean. But yeah, that's kind of the updates that we have with this room. Eventually, I think I'll change the blinds. These just came with the house. So if you guys have any suggestions for that too, let me know. My next update is going to be in this room. I struggle so much with decorating this room, but I did just get this rug. So my best friend actually brought this over for me. We moved the other rug while she was here. This West Elm rug just got like destroyed from the dogs. It just did not hold up very well. She actually took this out of her dining room. Let me have this, and I love it in here. I love that it's like a very similar color to the floors too, so it just doesn't stand out very much. The dogs will probably end up ruining this rug too, because that's just what they do, like with their claws and stuff. It'll probably end up like snagging and everything, but I really like it. So I know with jute you definitely can get like some buildup of dirt under it, so I have to be careful of that. I do vacuum all of the time because of the dogs already, but I think once a week I'm just going to like flip up this side and vacuum under it, and then flip up that side, because that was a problem for her, was that just like a lot of dirt gets under these jute rugs, and she didn't like that. So I'm just gonna try to be really proactive about vacuuming and everything, because I do really like the look of this rug. And then yeah, I really love the way the art looks in here. Like I like this one way better than the other one. It just has a little more to it. So I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do in here. I put this over here, but I don't really like it. This bar cart, guys, it moves all over this house, and I've had it for so long. But I think I would like to get like a tall arched lamp for right here. I have my eye on one from West Elm, so I might do that because I think we need more height. I don't know if I need like a little shelf unit or something on this side or what, but I feel like I need more height on both sides. And then I don't know, I was thinking about getting a different cover for this sofa from IKEA, because I don't know I don't know guys. this room, it's just always a struggle to decorate. So we'll see if it ever comes together. We'll probably end up moving before I actually end up getting this room put together. Still gonna keep working on it. So let me know what you guys think of the rug though. I really like it in here. I still need to get new chairs. Just with everything that's been going on, like with staying at home and stuff, I haven't placed a ton of orders for things, but I do have my eye on some chairs too. Some white ones. They actually kind of have like this sort of texture to it. So I think I'm gonna pull the trigger and get those soon. Okay, so I think outside is my last kind of home update. We actually got all of our outdoor furniture out again. We got this stuff last year and I love it. It's so bright out, so hope you guys can even see it, but we got all of this from Big Lots last year, and I think they might have like a newer version this year, but I think they still do have some of these pieces online, and then the rug is from Target. But if you guys didn't see the video where I think I did a whole entire video about like our outdoor patio furniture last year, if you guys missed that video, here it is. I love it out here. So this whole set, like the huge couch, everything, it also came with a coffee table that we just moved, but everything was a really, really good price compared to like, I mean, some outdoor furniture can be really, really expensive. So I thought it was a good price. This, Joshua got it for my birthday. So this is actually a fire pit. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably saw this already because we were having a little fire outside on my birthday, like the night of my birthday. So this is from Home Depot. There's one really similar at Target, but it's more expensive. And oh, this is really hot right now. And the reviews on that one weren't as good. And then it came with some lava rocks, but we actually switched them out for these. These are also from Home Depot, but we just thought these like black mirrored ones were really cool. And then it does have you have to hook a propane tank up to it, so we just have this one, and it actually worked out perfect because I could just put it under this little coffee table. This is from Big Lots as well, but the propane tank, this fire pit did come with like a little cover for it too, like a black cover. It's in the gazebo right now on a different propane tank, but you can like cover it and stuff so it's not as visible. So it does have a cord, like, because I know a lot of people might ask about that. So it does have a cord, but I can move it under the rug or whatever if I want. But yeah, I love it. So I think it's really, really cute. And it's just been fun to come out here in the evening and have a little fire at night. These gas ones are so much easier to do than having to do like a real fire. We have a real fire pit too with real wood in it and everything, but it's just kind of easier just to come out here and do this. So I love that. Came with the little cover and everything too. This is one other thing I wanted to show you guys. My friends gave me this tomato plant for my birthday. They also gave me this little planter that's from Target. I think it's the Hearth and Hand brand, but it's really cute. This tomato plant, when they gave it to me on my birthday, was like, I mean, it was very small, and literally probably in the past week it just got ginormous. So I need to get like one of those little cages that you put around it. I guess that's what you're supposed to do. And then I don't really know anything about these types of plants, but I've just been trying to just do what they do. And then I guess I need to get some spray for like bugs or something that are getting the bottom leaves. But yeah, I noticed a lot of people are doing gardens lately. Like, well, everybody was in the stay at home, everybody's been doing gardens. So I just have a tomato plant. Last update out here, this has been our grill for several years, and Joshua's been wanting a Traeger grill forever, for a couple of years. And for his birthday, I got him one. It's actually sitting in here. We just brought it home, and then we just have it sitting in here because we don't have a cover for it yet, but Joshua thinks it's really cool. He hasn't used it yet. We literally just brought it home. But we were thinking about maybe grilling tonight or something and seeing how it works for the first time. I don't even know what to do with this. I don't even know if this thing works anymore. We haven't really been grilling. Oh, I almost forgot to show you guys these flowers right here. We actually just got this from like a local garden store, and it's really nice because it just came with that little pot where you can put it on your deck. So I actually still need to water that today, but I'll show you guys on our front porch. So my front porch, around Christmas time, I showed you guys these planters. They do have a hole in the bottom if you're wondering, but these are from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I have yet to actually put flowers in them. So I was thinking I definitely need to run and go get some flowers to go in these. It's just really expensive to get the ones that are already done up, but it's also so much easier than having to plant them all yourself. So we'll see what I end up doing, but I was thinking about maybe doing petunias here, but we'll see. Sorry, my dogs are panting so loud. But I decided I am actually going to run to our local flower store or garden store. I don't even know what it's called. But that's where I got the flowers that are on my back deck, and I want to get ones for my front porch now. So gotta have my mask. But it's super hot out today too. Oh my goodness. But this is something that I've been wanting to do for a while, and I think I just need to do it today because summer is going to be over here soon, and then I'm not even going to have flowers for those pots. So I'm going to see what I can find, but I'm really hoping that they're not too expensive, but I thought I would bring you guys along. I thought it'd be fun. So they are out of so much stuff. Last time I was here, all of these were full. The whole back was full. So they don't really have a whole lot right now. But I grabbed 2 of these petunias. I'm not sure if I'm going to put them in the pots. They're actually a decent price. They're like $19. I think that's a little more expensive, but I think they're really pretty. I'm not sure if I'm going to hang them or if I'm going to put them in the pots, because we do have hooks on our porch too. Okay, I wanted to show you guys what the flowers look like in the pots. I had to put some stuff on the bottom of it so they would come up high enough. But I think they look really nice. I like just doing the white. I think it looks really cute. And so does this boy at the door. But yeah, I moved them forward just to make sure they got enough sun too. So hopefully they do well here. We'll see. I think at the beginning of the day there's a lot more sun on the front of the house, so they should be fine. But I just want to show you guys what they looked like in these really big planters, and I love these planters so much. I wonder if Bed Bath & Beyond still has them. If they do, I'll link them because I think they're really cool. Alright, I think I'm just going to end this video right here. I know I had said something about using our new Traeger grill tonight, but Joshua actually isn't going to get home from work for a little while longer. So I think we'll just have to save that for another video. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I realized I changed my shirt many times today. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Hope you're all doing well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you really soon in my next video.